So I got my air fryer to make some great fries so that they are true replacements of what I crave when I eat out. So what's the point of having some great fries if they don't at least stand up to my favorite fast food fries? So that's exactly what we'll do today. We are comparing how well the air fried French fries stand up against McDonald's and pizza. You can try to guess along with me, but I'll first be doing a blind taste test and then breaking it down. But first we have to make the homemade air fried fries, so here's a quick breakdown of that recipe. It all starts with some russet potatoes, which I've sliced up into these thin fries. Soak it, get the starch off, and then boil it for about 5 minutes or until they're cooked just enough that they are tender, but they are still firm. Then go ahead and drain those potatoes and then transfer them onto some paper towels and pat them dry as much as you can. This here is the exact texture, consistency, and firmness that you're looking for. Transfer them into a bowl and then cover it with generous amounts of olive oil. Toss them really well, and while that's happening, my air fryer is preheating. And now we're just gonna air fry them at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes. Here's what they look like right after they're done cooking. Right away, transfer them into a clean bowl, season them with salt, and here is our homemade fries. And I'm gonna put them on these plates down here, but of course my missus will then kind of switch it up. Here's our first fast food fry. In the center there is the homemade fry, and here's our third one. So now it's gonna get shuffled. Camera's below me. I'm gonna close my eyes. Good crisp. I think I know which one this is, but let's take the next one. And very fluffy inside. Alright. I think I know which one this is too. This one could be mine. Okay, last one. I know that limpiness from anywhere. That one was McDonald's, right? That was McDonald's. I love the limpiness. I have to say McDonald's is really good. Plus we're competing with deep fried potatoes here. We are air frying it. The pizza ones, they were kind of hollow inside. Still good, but if you're looking for like that potatoiness along with the crisp, the pizza one, at least this order or this location is not giving me that.
They made it like when I entered the store.
Pizza?
Yeah.
Or McDonald's?
Pizza. Even McDonald's. Both were made when I had entered the store.
Maybe it's just like, because they do all use frozen fries. Maybe it's just like how it tastes. If you want tasty, fluffy, crisp potatoes, then I'm kind of happy to say that but some pieces of the homemade ones does have that homemade-ness in it. This is a good piece to look at. That's crisp and pillowiness as well. And it does taste a bit cleaner compared to pizza. So, I think the first one that I had was the pizza fries. We'll rank it out of 5 based on crispness, overall flavor, and potatoiness. So pizza on that scale, potatoiness, I'll give it 2. Crisp, 5. Overall flavor, 2. Again, because of the medium. Like it just tastes like burnt fryer oil. Maybe it's just my location though. Then I think I definitely had my homemade one. Crispness, 3. It's air fried. It's not deep fried. 3. Potatoiness, 5. And overall flavor, I'm comparing it with my favorite ones, which is gonna be the McDonald's one, 4. Then came the McDonald's fries. I guess that's what our competition is right now. Potatoiness, solid 4. Yeah, 4. Crisp, 5. I like the limp ones too. I won't deduct points for that. I'm biased. And overall flavor, McDonald's fries, 5 on 5. So is it even a surprise that McDonald's fries beat it? Not to me. McDonald's fries are very special to me. But is it worth it to make the air fried homemade fries? And I think yes. If I can get even close to getting a similar experience to McDonald's and it actually beat what I experienced with the pizza fries, then 100%. It doesn't take that much time. The only hard work is the chopping, the soaking. But I want to know what you all think, so try it out and let me know if you want to see more content just like this. Should I compare tenders or nuggets next? Let me know down below.